Welcome back, nursery. We're still here on that ladybird that's setting you your own challenge. We're looking at the numbers down here in that box, and we're going to look at that number, think, what does that say? How many should we have? And draw that many spots in those empty wings. So, what's this number here? 3, brilliant. So how many spots should I draw? 3, fantastic. So can you help me and count out aloud so I know when to stop? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, stop. Thank you, nursery. Now we need to move on to the next side. Look at this little box here. How many have we got here? Look, it's the same again. So number 3. Don't forget to help me count and shout stop when I need to stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Brilliant, thank you for helping me. Oh look, we've got a missing box still. What do you think we need to do to write a number in there? What's that skill we're learning? Adding, brilliant. We need to add this side to find out how many altogether. Let's do that counting for me and find out the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So now we've learned the number sentence. 3 add 3 equals 6. Perfect. This part of the skill is quite a tricky challenge, and it's actually a little bit harder than what we should be doing. But we all like a challenge, don't we? Always try and learn that little bit more. If we can just count each side and tell us how many, perfect. That's exactly the skill we're looking at learning today. And then moving on. Oh, a slightly different challenge. Again, we've just got different missing numbers. I've drawn the spots on both sides. I've started to write down my number sentence, but I don't know what I'm supposed to write in here. Shall we look at the counting and see if we can work it out? So the first half of the ladybird is here, and it tells us it should have how many spots? 2. 2 spots. So shall we count to make sure we've got that right? 1, 2. Perfect. We've got our 2 spots. Now we need to count this side to work out what number goes in here. Again, this is a tricky challenge, but if you want to have a go, please do have a go. It doesn't matter if it's wrong. It's just trialling, experimenting and exploring our adding and our numbers. So let's count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So what number am I writing in here? 4 spots, so I have to write the number 4. And then we need to check to see if 2 add 4 equals 6. How can I check that? What could I do? I know I've just learned how to add 2 amounts together. So this is telling me this and this together equals that. So shall we try and count to make sure it's right? Let's do it together, nursery. Shout out those numbers for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there it is. But don't forget that ladybird, they were whispering, weren't they, the plans? Can you whisper the numbers really quietly and to double check? We're shouting them and now we're whispering them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. And we were right. Big tick, great adding. Now I wonder if you could ask your grown-up to just draw you out some ladybirds at home and have a go at adding the spots together. There is a PowerPoint to support this as well that you can work through, so have a go at filling in those questions. But isn't it good fun when you can draw and design your own ladybird? I'm sure they will look a lot more creative than Mrs. French's. But have fun, enjoy that counting. I want to see what numbers you can work with. Have fun and we'll see you again soon. Bye.